And I mean, totally full, 60 weight in the rear. Front's got 35 weight. About a quarter of the way full. And they're lay down shocks, so they lay back and forth. So, I'd say we're ready. This is the battery. I don't know if you can see that. It's the 3S Lipo. We're going to take it out in the gravel for just a minute. We'll see the body roll. Then we're going to take it down around the barn. Got my FY03 so I still haven't put that in. I need to get that done, so it shouldn't take me a minute. I did run on 3S, but I didn't get to make a video. So this is my rocks. All these sapphires, all the blue ones, they come from the place here down at the barn where we're getting ready to go. The pink ones come from out at Lake Chattooga, or I forget, Lake Fontana, down towards Georgia. So I traded these. And the Herkimer's diamond, that comes from New York. And oh yeah, I got some meteors. I just traded these. I don't know if you ever held a meteor, but it's like a big chunk of iron. Like they're heavy. So, and this don't wash off, so it's not dirt. All right, we went down here to the barn. You can see we don't have any cattle anymore. Everything grows up during the summertime. In the fall, this will all be beat down. If y'all want to, we'll go find a sapphire. There's probably one down there after the rains. So the creek runs all along the road. I've had a good bit now, so at least 5 years. I think they still make it. It's around $80. But the radio and controls ain't worth a crap. The motor it comes with ain't worth a crap. So this has got a 390 airplane engine. Let's move on up the way. I think they're getting ready to weed eat. I'll put some, there's a bump, looky there. Yeah, it comes with a lithium ion, the 2S capable. So I'm just running like a 1060, maybe a 10, no, it's a 1060. Dynamite ESC 2 and 3S. No fan or nothing, so. And that comes with 3 pinion gears, a fast, a medium, and like a low gear. So I geared down and bolted up. She's been a hammer jammer ever since. I might see the water's down. I can see it just a little bit, yeah, right in there. Oh, we got some dundage. What's going on here? Oh. A screw. That don't happen very often. But. All right, so I'm going through my little bit of stuff here. Got some hardware, leftover goodies. I did find a screw. So, see, just sticking out the top, no clearance problems. Flathead, so let's go play in the clay out here. See that? We're jumping horse shit. Oh, we get stuck on that horse shit. That's too far. Anyway, this thing holds up. I don't have any hardly aftermarket stuff on it. The drive shafts, they usually just wear out normal. You get plenty of life on them. Every once in a while you might break one. Same for the front, but they're cheap. So when I order them, I order 2 or 3 of them. And, the diffs, they're not that bad. Once you start hitting it with 3S, you need to go ahead to the upgraded one. They do have a specific upgrade for this. I have it in the front. I still have the stock rear diff, but I have rebuilt it a few times. But she's just a jammer whammer. Whoa, whoa. Coming through. Yeah, here's a little bit. Yeah, I'd say that 60 weight helped it out. It's still not real dampened. I guess I'd have to go in there and maybe close off one of the holes on the dampener or something. I mean, yeah, you can order lights for it. There's stuff for it out there. So she'll keep on taking it. He'll be ready for another water splash video, snow. All right, now thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one, and we'll catch you on the next one.